this is the case of the Denver dentist. So James Craig was sentenced recently to life in prison for the murder of his wife, Angela Craig.
James Craig is a Mormon, a father of 6 children and a husband of 23 years to his wife, Angela Craig. He owns his own dental practice. We learned during the trial that he has been cheating likely their entire 23-year marriage. These sugar babies, they testify that he had said to them, hey, if I could do one thing, it would be to kill my wife. He used arsenic, cyanide, eye drops, tetrahydrozoline, all of these different poisons that he was having delivered. And he did this within a 10-day period, made protein shakes for her. Even when she was being hospitalized, he would go and visit her and then bring a fast food meal in and out of the hospital all the time, multiple different poisons that are very difficult to get as well. While she was starting to feel better, he went in and had 5 minutes alone with her, and they believe that he administered the last lethal dose into her IV. And it's his dental assistant named Caitlin who is having an emotional affair with him. And she opened an invoice of a private package of his to make sure it wasn't to the office. And it said potassium cyanide on it. And so it happened very quickly. And so the moment she died, he was actually arrested very quickly. His house was being searched. He couldn't go home with his kids that night. If this isn't enough, he's put behind bars awaiting trial, and he tries to get an inmate to kill the lead detective, Bobby Jo Olson. She's a female detective on this case because she is out to get him. And then the worst of all of these, in my opinion, is that he writes his daughter, who's a teenager, and says, hey, bail this guy out. He needs to get out. She trusts her dad. She goes and bails this inmate out. He hands her a handwritten letter from her dad. And in this handwritten letter from her dad, it states, go to the dark web, make a deep fake of your mother. Have the deep fake say that she wanted to kill herself. Luckily, his daughter at that moment switched teams and realized that she needed to turn her dad in. I do wonder, had that assistant not opened that invoice and saw that potassium cyanide, would he have gotten away with this?